Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying versions because the fix differs for 32-bit versus 64-bit installs. Once done, close Excel and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. You'll run system file checks and image repairs. These commands help restore corrupted shared libraries like Stdole32.tlb. Make sure to type them carefully and wait for each to finish. Skipping can leave dependencies broken. Next, you run the repair sequence to fix component errors. First, execute sfc/scano and allow it to complete. It replaces corrupted system files. If sfc reports unfixable items, immediately run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. Once system integrity is good, re-register typelibs using regsver32 for Stdole32 related DLLs. This rebinds COM reference. To finish, run an Office repair. Go to Settings, Apps, find Microsoft Office, choose Modify, then Quick or Online Repair. After repair, open Excel and test with a blank workbook. Make sure problematic add-ins are disabled and references in the VBA editor don't show missing entries. If the error persists, use the restore point you made or uninstall recent Windows or Office updates that modified COM registrations. One troubleshooting tip: Safe Mode Launch helps isolate add-in versus system issues. Use it before drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.